At the Global Conference on Women in Agribusiness, part of Agritech India 2024, K. Ratnaprabha, former Chief Secretary of Karnataka and founding chairperson of Unity in Business for Understanding, Nurturing and Transforming the Universe (UBUNTU) Consortium, highlighted the resilience of women in rural areas. She emphasized their significant role in agriculture, often undertaking traditionally male-dominated tasks. Ratnaprabha also shared insights from rural Karnataka, where women endure strenuous labor and contribute substantially despite domestic challenges.
That this is a consortium of women entrepreneurs associations spread across India in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities and also in the major cities. So we are together, we bind together, we network together, and we help the women entrepreneurs to grow in each of these associations. So each association has its own activity, they do a lot for their members, and we try to supplement whatever they are not doing or are not able to do, we try to reach out to them. So today I think this is one example where women, I can see women coming from the extreme corner of Karnataka, which is the most backward district. There are some people from Gulbarga, we have people from the other side, Bombay, Karnataka area, we have Hubli, Dharwad representatives, we have people from Mysore, Udupi, which is another coastal district. Seema, I think she's come all the way, and so it has this whole forum has given an opportunity for these small entrepreneurs to have a share in an international forum, and they have got an opportunity to network, to have B2B meetings, or maybe to also expand and also learn. Once when I visited one of the backward districts in Karnataka, I found that there were only women who were doing labor work. And I was told that the men only take the wages from their wives, drink and they sleep. And they land up even beating them. So it is the women who struggle, who do the labor and who earn something, come home, cook and then take care of the kids. So for the women, it's multitasking, very hard life, especially in rural areas. Yet they try to cope up with life and family moves on. So under these tough circumstances, whether it's in a rural area or whether it's an urban area, the women have come out to make a footing for themselves. Now, when we think of this business, this whole exhibition, we have to really struggle so much to motivate the women that they can come here and put up their stall.
Dr. Sridevi Annapurna Singh, Director of the Central Food Technological Research Institute, CFTRI, discussed the vital role of women in the food industry, noting the importance of modern food technology in enhancing food quality and shelf life. She pointed out that the growing food processing industry in India presents considerable opportunities for women. Aoud de Wit, Council General of the Netherlands for South India, provided insights into gender dynamics in entrepreneurship, revealing that while Dutch women are increasingly becoming entrepreneurs, they tend to focus on sectors like health and welfare rather than agriculture. Jafar S. Naqvi, Chief Editor of Women in Agribusiness (WIAB), praised the achievements of women in agribusiness, particularly in technology-driven agriculture and decision-making roles, underscoring the growing influence in this sector.